Welcome to 2608 Calgary Avenue here in Kensington, Maryland, in the Kensington Heights community. I'm Barrett Starling, licensed realtor with the Nellis Group and Keller Williams, and we're going to give you a tour of this home today. Come on in, let's take a look. Once you come into the home, you'll notice that this open space on this main level has its own custom bookshelf, as well as tons of natural light that come in through the front and the rear. Also, they have nice hardwood floors throughout this main level and upper. From here, you're in the dining room, which has plenty of natural light. Also leads you out to your back patio, so if you're entertaining guests, short distance to the kitchen, which is right here. Kitchen was updated by the current owner. You've got granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, as well as space for a breakfast nook. Coming on up to this upper level of the split level home, you'll see in this owner's suite, it's plenty of space for either a queen or king size bed. You've got windows on both sides here, gives plenty of natural light. It also has its own walk-in closet, as well as you've got an ensuite bath with a shower stall. Also here on the upper level, you have a second and third bedroom, as well as a hallway bathroom, full size with tub. Great thing about this upper level and these extra rooms is that you can accommodate, if you need a work at home space, you have space for all of that here. We're here now on the lower level, plenty of natural light, lots of options of what you can do with this room, with your family, entertain, however you want to use the space. Here on the lower level, you also have an office space that can also be used as a guest room. You have a closet as well as a full-size window. Additionally, on this lower level, you have a wet bar, as well as another full-size bath with shower stall, your laundry station, and the egress that takes you to your backyard. As you step out from the lower level, you're here in your backyard, this nice private suburban oasis. You have plenty of space to entertain guests in the privacy of your own backyard, fully fenced in. Over the last 18 months, buyers have been looking for space to entertain guests safely during these times of COVID. And this gives you just that. Let your imagination run wild with this backyard. It also has a ton of privacy, as well as a shed that conveys. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you'd like more information or to schedule your own private tour, please reach out to the Nellis Group today.